Presentation, the ultimate solution to solving the global housing crisis. I'm not going to go through each slide word for word because we'll be here for hours. I'm just going to go through these slides pretty quick, and I want to get the main points across to you guys so you can understand where they've been, where they are, or how they started, where they are now, and where we're heading as a company, and how you can participate and benefit financially from it. I'm not going to waste your time talking through all these slides because I know your time's precious and you don't want to waste those hours of your day. You just want to get to the nut and bolts of how this can benefit you financially. The reason why I'm showing you these slides is to show you that it's a real company backed by what we're about to talk about in this presentation here today. And whoever's listening to this presentation here today, my wish for you is your mind shifts and you understand the power of what you have in front of you to allow your money to work for you so you no longer have to work for money. But our aim is to solve the global housing crisis, and you can be a big part of that. And waking up every day knowing that you're a big part of solving the global housing crisis and how you can benefit financially is very good to wake up every day feeling excited that your money's to work for you and you're also taking part in the global housing crisis. It's been over 5 years to put millions invested into creating this project. So that's how it all started 5 years ago and putting millions invested. So this is not a fly-by-night thing that's going to disappear overnight. So the benefits of these robots are they build houses 48 to 72 hours, which is way faster than a traditional route. And they can build houses far quicker, more cheaper, safer, better insulated, more eco-friendly, and there's less waste. So it's a benefit for everyone. We have lots of orders in Africa. You can stop and pause the video and read these slides if you want to. But the Camhirst CEO has signed a protocol agreement with a cluster of African unions. And also we're bringing out scanning technology to scan the ground to look for gold, diamond, gas and oil, which we can benefit from in the future as well. So guys, this is not just what you see here today. We have big plans for the future as well, and you can be a part of that. So our CEO, Adam, has lots of agreements with all these countries that you see before you. I'm not going to name them all, but there's a lots of deals signed and lots of robots already sold and lots of robots in the pipeline for selling as well. There's been thousands of robots sold so far, and how you can benefit from that, you'll find out that shortly. So there's a company based in Manchester, UK, and also we have big plans to open up in Dubai as well in the year 2023. So this is important. How does Camhirst generate profits? So each sale of the robot, we build a robot and it costs us 200,000 to build the robot, and we sell it for 250,000 and 275,000 with training, because the people who are buying these robots, construction sites that are actually really buying these robots, need training as well. So the 25,000 for training. But each time the company makes 50 grand, it gets $50,000. It gets put into the participation program where you benefit from it, and you can participate in this program from as little as $100, which we'll go into and show you moving forward. So here's the exciting part of Camhirst robots, property robots, which allows us to participate in what they're doing on a global scale. As I said, property robots collaborated with Camhirst. Well, Camhirst robots collaborated with property robots, and there's been 5 years, as I said before, of research and millions of dollars being put into this to benefit you. And here's what I mentioned earlier but this is on a different slide. So what we do is It's called crowdfunding, and we all participate in this company to purchase, well, to make a robot for 200,000. And once 200,000 is collected, we make a robot as a group. So we all put in money into a pot through Property Robots, and each time a robot is sold at 250,000, 50,000 is then shared with the community. So this is how it's sustainable. It's not a high yield investment program. It's not Forex. It's not a trading bot. It's a real tangible company, guys, backed by real products. And this is why it's going to be here for a long run, and it's not a fly by night thing. And you can safely and securely participate and reap huge rewards in this company. Here's the exciting part, guys. Very exciting part. There's lots of plans you can take part in, from $100 to $100,000, and it says here on the bottom that this promotion ends where you double every 6 months. You double your money every 6 months. It says it ended on the 25th of December 2023. So it said it ended on 2023 on the 5th of December. But this has no longer ended. This promotion has actually continued, and it's continuing forever now. We have a fixed plan and a non-fixed plan. And the fixed plan is 100% return on participation in 6 months. So if you put 100 in 6 months, it'll turn to 200. And I'm not going to go through all these and say that, but if you put 10,000 in, it would turn to 20,000 in 6 months. So I just want to give you an idea of how powerful this is. Do the maths on doubling $100 every 6 months for 7 years, and you'll be amazed what happens. Just grab a calculator and do the maths on that, because the projection of that is life-changing. And it's not an overnight success, but waking up every day knowing that your financial freedom is secure feels amazing and helps you go throughout your day thinking, right, I've made it because I've participated in Property Robots. So the fixed plan is a 6-month program, and the flexible plan is a 9-month program. So how can you participate in Property Robots? The only downfall to all this is, guys, is it's a private invitation only. So get back to the person who invited you to the presentation here today and ask them how you can get started in Property Robots. Click the referral link. It's so easy. It takes like literally less than 5 minutes. Click the referral link, join for free, and then fund with as little as $100 to $100,000. Do you understand the power of this, guys? They will give you double your money back in 6 months. So if you feel confident enough to let go of $100 or anything you can afford, you will bring that money back to you times 2 in 6 months' time. And then, to be on a personal level, I'm just going to put that back in 6 months and keep compounding it every 6 months. And do the maths on $100 compounded over 7 years at 100% every 6 months. Have you ever thought of what doubling a penny every day is for 30 days? It goes over $1 million. Just a penny doubled every day for 30 days is over $1 million. We can double our money every 6 months, guys. It's not every day, but over a penny doubled every day for 30 days is over $1 million. And we can double our 100 every 6 months. So in 30 years, a penny would be doubled to $1 million. But this is way quicker than that, because it's $100 and it's every 6 months, not every year. Just think of the power of that, guys. So once you've joined for free, you get access to a back office, and it's a very powerful back office. It's very well laid out, very simple, clean, and easy. You'll get access to a back office, your own personal website, and it'll give you daily rewards, commission rewards. We'll go into commission rewards as we go on through the presentation. Who can do this, guys? Literally anyone can do this. And if you have any questions, get back to the person who invited you to this presentation. Either ask them questions or ask them for another video on how powerful this project is and how it can benefit you financially. So I said you can earn without sponsoring and without recruiting, but you can sponsor and recruit as well into this program, and the rewards are very beneficial, which we'll go through here today. So there's something called status levels. So when you've got no team volume, you're at 8%. So anybody who comes in, you get 8%. Someone comes in at 100, you get $8. Someone comes in at 1,000, you get $80. If someone comes in at 10,000, who you've recruited or sponsored into this company and made aware of the power of this company, you will get from 10,000, 800. But if you've got a team volume of 1,000, you're then status level 2, and you earn 15% of anyone you bring in. And as you can see, it goes. If you've got 5,000 team volume, you earn 18%, right up to 40% if you've got 80 million in team volume and you've been in this a while and you've built a team. There's also rank achievement bonuses. Then you've got the career builder. So this has been Camhirst Robots collaboration with Property Robots. If you want any more information on this, ask the person who invited you here today for another video explaining deeper into the company. Or if you're excited and ready to get started, ask them for the referral link and they will give you the referral link. You cannot join this company without a referral link. So the only person you can join is through the person who invited you. And they're cared enough to share this opportunity with you. So give them some gratitude and get back to them. Say, can I have the referral link and join today? You can even share this for free and earn 8% on commissions. 8% on people participating for free as well. So if you've not got much money at the moment, you can still join and still build an empire and earn huge rewards off Property Robots.